এইটার পার্থক্য কি?
Huzur, this question is about Huzur's recent Friday sermon, which Huzur was elaborating the subject of Raqeeb, Allah's attribute. So Huzur mentioned the verse number 118 of Surah Al-Ma'idah, in which he was submitting his own stand to Allah when Allah asked him that, did you tell your people to worship you and your mother? Then he said, kuntu alayhim shahida ma dumtu fihim, so in his case he used the word shahida, whereas for the same subject for Allah he used the word raqiba. He said about himself, kuntu alayhim shahida ma dumtu fihim falamma tawaffaytani kunta anta raqiba.
Every prophet is shaheed on his ummah, and Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is shaheed over all the prophets according to the Holy Quran. So shaheed here doesn't mean the one who is martyred in the path of Allah. Shaheed is in the sense of Nigaran. So that is all that there is to it. No problem. Raqeeb is something else. Raqeeb has been translated differently by different scholars, but Raqeeb is not only the one who takes care of others, but who also watches everybody and sees what he acts and how it acts and what he's come to. So this is the difference between Shaheed and Raqeeb, which is more a verbal difference, literal difference, but metaphorically speaking, both are practically the same things. Another thing, Raqeeb is somebody who knows the inside story of the heart, and Shaheed only sees what he sees. So as long as the prophets sit over their, watch over their followers, they watch only, not superficially, but even not in that depth as Allah watches. You know, the prophets see what they see and they approve of what they see. But when Allah is Raqeeb, Allah knows what is in their hearts. And that is the major difference between Shaheed and Raqeeb.